in the oven.
Open the bag.
Was it your bag?
I know it's a joke. Of course it's a joke. Biscuits.
How is it?
Well, no, it's
Empty the bag.
Go ahead and just open it up.
Empty the bag.
Okay, well, let me try this again. Hold on, sorry.
What's a sourdough?
It was supposed to be like this. Okay,
Okay, now what?
what is that?
That's a sourdough bun.
A bun
A bun.
in the
That's a
a
Somebody's pregnant.
bun in the oven.
You gotta be kidding me.
Really? It was unintentional, I swear. But yes.
Not something you need right now.
Really? No, we don't need it, but it's meant to be. It's meant to be.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We
Don't
just
get
found
grandma
out.
again.
We just found out about 2 weeks ago.
How could you?
7 weeks total.
How could you keep it from me?
It wasn't
easy.